Hello everyone. For the Technologies for Learning Activities, I went with the software Blogger, which is available from Google. I created this video using Camtasia Studio, which is available from TechSmith, the same company that produces Jing. This software has a lot more features than Jing, but it is also a bit more costly to use. I created this video and made it publicly available on YouTube. You access Blogger by simply going to blogger.com. Once on that page, students, along with faculty and staff, may sign in with their Weber State email address and password, or if you have another account, you may use that as well for creating blogs. I'll first enter my Weber State email address. Then I'll enter my Weber State username and password from the authentication page as shown. Once logged onto Blogger, you can create a new blog simply by clicking on the New Blog button. After clicking on New Blog, you can then give your blog a title and an address, which Blogger will check to see if available. You can also choose a basic template which you may customize after creating your blog, then click on Create Blog. Now that the blog has been created, you may enter information into your blog by clicking on Start Blogging or create a new post. You can also look at various settings by clicking on this drop-down. On this page, among the things you can do are change the name of the title of your blog as well as the description, the privacy settings. For example, here you can identify if you want your blog to be part of the Blogger listings as well as accessible by search engines. You can also update your permission settings. For example, clicking on Edit for the blog readers allows you to determine if your blog is public, private only to you, or restricted to readers you choose. While still on this page, if you click on Template, here you can customize your template as well as customize your mobile template. For customizing the template, several options are available, including selecting from different templates. One option that is available is the background. Among the things you can do is change the color themes as well as change or add a background image. Here you have a selection of choices to use as a background image, or you can choose to upload your own image. In this example, I'm going to choose from the choices where I'll look under the Arts. And I'll select this image, which fits in with my line of work, and click Done. Once that is completed, you next want to apply this image to the blog. Now to actually write to the blog, simply click on Back to Blogger and click on New Post. Now that you are in the blog, give your posting a title and write whatever it is that you want. One area in particular that I think will be helpful for my students is they will need to find some articles in some of the library's article databases. The articles include a share option where they can post the link to a number of resources, including Blogger. And here are the results of the postings to this particular blog.